Good morning, everybody. How are you today? It's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today in my life I have this lovely box. Yep, it's a Stitch Fix box, so stick around. You're not going to want to miss this one. Okay, so if you don't know, Stitch Fix is a $20 styling fee. For your first box, if you use my link below, you'll get $25 off. They do extend some of a discount. I think it's 20% if you buy all 5 items. You can request whatever you want if you're going to have a party and you need something fun. If you are going on vacation, tell them to send you vacation clothes, whatever, and they will try to accommodate that. Well, for this themed box for this month, I requested going to the pumpkin patch. So something fun and cozy, you know, just fall clothes that will be good for going to the pumpkin patch. So, and I think I also actually have scissors today. I think I also asked for a new bag. So we'll see. This box isn't huge, so we'll see. And a pair of flats. All right. Ooh. Oh. Okay. So looks like one of those was accommodated. That's awesome. Is it shoes or is it a bag? We'll see. Okay. Everything comes. It usually comes better than this. Usually it comes all nice and wrapped in your envelope. But anyways, you do get a styling card, which I'll look at in a second, and the invoice. And then you also will get a prepaid mailer so that you don't have to pay to send anything back. And that's what that is. Okay, let's see. I love that they come in these little bags, the shoes do. That just makes them really nice and keeps them nice in your closet. Ooh. Now they're not flats, you guys, but they are super cute. They got a buckle right here. I don't have any booties this color. They've got like all this eyelet detail and a buckle and a zipper. And hopefully they're an 8. They are an 8. So I'll be looking forward to trying these on. They have to be really comfortable for me to want to wear them to work. All right, you also can request some extras. You can request pajamas that they have, bras, underwear, anything like that. I did in this little package right here request a bralette. I keep trying to find them, one of my dreams that will fit me. And this one actually looks like it might. We'll see. I won't try it on for you, of course, but I will let you know if it works for me. I may just have to end up like wearing a bra under this one. Maybe like a strapless bra. I don't know, but excuse me. We'll see. All right, now on to the bundle. All right, the bundle is not huge, but it's got some cool colors in it. Looks like I have some denim, some plaid, some gray, and something florally. So, yeah. Stitch Fix is really one of my favorites that I get. They just send you a variety of items. I'm turning my alarm off. And I'm clearly awake. And they send you a variety of items, and they will try to accommodate what you want. So if you pin something, they'll try to find it, all those. Also in the Stitch Fixes now, when you buy items, you can go back to your items in your closet that you've bought, and they will also try to pair other things that they've found to go with those items that you bought. So that's pretty cool too. All right, let's get in here. That's the loud part. So I'm sorry. I like that it comes in the tissue paper, but it is loud. Okay, so we do have a pair of denim. We have a pair of Studio Blue. These are a size 16. I don't know if they're going to be too big or not. I am back on my weight loss journey, but we'll see. They are a skinny jean. And they have the little wisp thing here, the color. And let's see. They've got some distressing down here. And they're skinny jean. And the reason that I'm still not giving up on skinny jeans is because I'm short. And so skinny jeans and the skinny ankle just fits me better. All right. Ooh, this is really soft. This is by ID 23. It's an extra large. Really pretty colors. Some blue and white. Really, really cute. Probably roll tab sleeve. Yep, the roll tab sleeve. And it's really soft. Ooh, this is nice. Here is a sweater. And it's really soft too. That is another thing about Stitch Fix. I don't know that I've ever gotten anything that just wasn't amazing quality and amazing fabrics. Okay, so it's got some light pink up here, blue on the sleeves. It's got pink elbow patches, so we'll have to see where those hit me. And then it's got a little band on the bottom. Really, really soft. And it's by Market and Spruce. Of course it is. And it's an extra large. All right, and then this one is the last one. It's by Mason and Bell. It's an extra large. Really pretty fabrics. Floral print. Got some white in there. It's got a tassel detail here. And then it's got elastic on the sleeves. All right, so I will go and I will do a try on for you. Stick tight. Okay, the first item are the shoes. They have this cute buckle on them. They have the eyelet pattern. I really like the color. The only thing is they have a hard piece back here, and they are not comfortable on my heel. Plus, the only thing about shoes like this is that we get a lot of snow here in the winter. So coming up in fall and winter, I won't be able to wear them. So I don't think that I'm going to keep these. But if you like them, here they are. Okay, so next up I have the jeans on. I do like them. They're a little bit big. So, I don't know, really depending on the price, I might ask for a 14, but they bunch up a lot down here, which is a lot of my problem. But I do like the distressing here. So, they are really cute, and they're super soft, and they have a lot of stretch to them, which is another reason that I don't think I'm going to keep them, just because as I lose weight, I'm not going to be able to wear them very long, and jeans will stretch out more as you wear them. Then I do have this top on. This one is really soft. It's by Market and Spruce, and it's cute. Got the elbow patches here. It's amazingly soft, and I don't think it will be too hot either. And I could wear it longer with just some leggings if I want. Okay, so surprisingly enough, I do really like this top. I love the colors of it. It's nice and fall. And I love the tassels. I think they're really cute. And the white detail here. It fits really nice, long enough in the back, and it's not itchy. I was afraid it might be a little bit scratchy, but it's not. And then I just kept the same jeans on. These jeans are really comfortable. Get you a close up here of the detail. It's got the elastic sleeves here. All right, I'm gonna go put on the last one. Okay, this is the very last top from the Stitch Fix box for this month. I like the fabric. I don't remember who it's by, but we'll go through the recap. There's a couple things I don't like about it. Number one, it's way too long in the sleeves. So these are my fingers right here. So way too long. I could cuff them, but we've already talked about the fact that it's cold here in the wintertime and I need winter clothes. And then also, like, it's big up here, big in the arms, like huge in the arms, tight in this area, because that's where I carry the most of my weight, there in my booty and my boobs. And then it's big down here. So I think this one's probably a no as well. Mike, I think it just shook his head. That's negative. But I mean, it's cute and the fabric's cute, but it's just not for me. Okay, so I'm back with the recap. Let's see. Let's go over the style card first. All right, so when you get the style card, it always has a note. If you want to pause it and read mine, you're more than welcome. It shows the laser cut heeled booty up here, the jeans and how to style it, the sweater and how, or pullover they're calling it, how to style it, the shirt, and then this shirt down here as well. Okay, so mine says, hello Miranda, happy fix day. I'm sorry that we missed the mark on your last fix. I hope that you love what I have included for you today. Have there been any new looks you've been itching to try? If so, please be sure to leave me a note in your feedback. To bring some autumn vibes into your wardrobe, I started your fix with a lovely pair of distressed studio blue jeans that will be perfect addition to your casual wardrobe. For the pumpkin patch, I included a lovely ID 23 plaid blouse to the jeans for a polished casual look. Top off this outfit with the violet and red booties for a cohesive feel. The mustard, violets, and roses blouse will add a pop of color to the jeans and will appeal to the boho side of your style too. I hope that you love your fix goodies. I look forward to reading your feedback. Enjoy, Kathy. I've never had Kathy before. That's a new one. Okay, so my final thoughts, and then I'll tell you what this total fix would cost. All right, so the booties. I do really love these. They're super cute. I wish they weren't hard as a rock back here. I had Mike feel them just to see what he thought, and he said he thought they were hard too. So I'm not going to keep these. These booties cost $89. So that is a no for me. The next thing is this plaid top. Sorry, let's see. The plaid top. It is by, who is this by? ID 23, I think. Yeah, ID 23. Like I said, it was too big in some places, small in other places. Just didn't care for it, but it's a great price at $38. So I hate that that does not work because it is really soft material. Next up is the jeans. I should have buttoned them before I started, but these are the jeans. Once again, I really like these. They're really a great feel. They're just too big, so I should have ordered them in a 14. They are $58 still. No, I don't think that's a bad price for jeans. Let's see. Next item is the raglan top. I really did like this. I'm waiting on Mike to see if he, yes or no. He's kind of sitting behind my camera there. He shook his head yes, so we'll see about that one. That's a maybe. It is $58. Really soft. The bralette, this right here, it is by Free People. It's $20, so I'm gonna keep it. And then this top is my favorite. I really like this one. I'm glad it's not scratchy. It'll look nice with a tank under it. And it is $44. So my total fix for this time, the subtotal is $287. If I bought all 5 items, I told you a $20 discount or 20%, but it's $25. So they would take off $71.75 if I kept everything. So my subtotal would be, with the bra, which is $20, would be $235.25. Plus I get my $20 styling credit back. So the total is $215.25. But we already know I'm not going to keep everything because I didn't like everything and not everything fit right. So let me know in the iCard poll up here, this side, what you think of everything, what you think I should keep and what I should send back. I'll send them back, I think, on the 7th. So you have just a couple days to let me know. All right, thanks for watching my video. If you're brand new, welcome to my channel. Let me know in the comments that you are new so that I can say hi to my new friend. And also, if you're a returning subscriber, as always, thanks for your loyalty and hanging out with me and just being my friend. So, all right, everybody have a great day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.